The issue is that the reason why I somehow discuss about him here, because it's not about the threat alone, but when you look at Fallback Republic, one of their trademark is to tell you that Ngozi is buying our people. You check why is such. Why is always buying our people? Now you look at somebody that they themselves are champion and praising. He can't make two statements without threatening buying of people. So I want people to understand that this issue of buying people. Buying people is not. They're not buying chicken. They're talking about human being. It's not chicken. So if you are against anybody buying our people, then let me report to you those that are bragging about how they buy people. So even if you don't understand any other thing, as long as you are like me that criticize buying of people, telling you that this guy is bragging on how he buys people, because even in as much as some of us believe that he is not, you don't rate him. People like that are those buying people, and I will tell you what. Those that are buying people are those who don't regard themselves. They have lost their value. You understand? Like,
of course.
Why you say that, for example? You see, she will come up and say anything, unprintable things that normally no sensible human being will open mouth and say that. She will say it kolo with her face and everything, no problem. She will come back again and want to teach you how to live a decent life.
It's terrible.
She will come back after showing you how she can swim in a pit of toilet. She will still stand up and tell you, know what, that this is what you need to do if you want to live a decent life. But she did not even hide herself when she was playing with the pit of playing inside the toilet. This is kind of people that I don't just overlook them. It's not as if I can decide not to talk about them, but for our people to understand the gravity of what is going on. Okay? And I want to ask you, do you have YouTube channel? Do you have YouTube channel?
Yes, I have. I'm not that stage, but I'm trying to come back.
Yeah, I follow you.
I'm Divine Precious.
I follow you. I follow you on this your your the way you talk. I watch your video. That's why I say this voice. I know this voice. So okay, thank you so much, my sister. Now I know who is talking. God bless you. God bless you. I really appreciate you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Just, dear friends, what I'm just in conclusion is that people should just save their image, because once you destroy with these people, it will be very, very difficult to clean out that damage. It's better that you just drop on time and save your soul, because it's very deadly.
Yeah.
Once you are attached with these people, that anything that they commit, you will share from them.
True.
The way that they used to castigate our DPM, anything that she do, okay, copycat that they are doing now. When she said that we have this self-defense, we are fighting it. Fight after all of them started, even from Nigeria, everywhere, everybody was started saying self-defense. Now when so on come, they done everything they will catch you. Which one are you bringing out to help them? The only place you are is whenever anything is out to help us, you will be castigating it. Very bad. Very, very wicked souls. My brother, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Divine Precious. God bless you and stay calm. God bless you. So let us move. This is our sister. I will share her video so that you guys will join her also. I followed her, but she have a very unique way, the way she talk. I know. Then I was able to dictate that this voice. I know this voice. Let me. Okay. I think we have a lot of callers, but are we going to? I don't think that we are going to attend to all this number. But let me try and call back. This is our Anthony Med is here with us, and Ferdinand Jofo, I see you. Who again? Chidebere, I see you, of course. Hello, sir. Hello, can you hear me? Ademoma Kekina.